Morning everyone. Happy 14th of December. 10 days, it's Christmas Eve. Can't believe how quick it's going. Hope you're getting on well with your plans. But join me now. Let's have a bit of Karen's crazy Christmas fun together. Join me after the intro. You ready? Hit it, maestro. Good time-honoured tradition for day 14 of December 2019. Let's have camera, lights, action! I wonder how many babies I've woken up doing that so far on these past 14 days. I hope I haven't, but the chances are I have, haven't I? Right, so then, let's get my chocolate. So, what have we got today? We have got a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you promise not to tell? That was so off key, even for me, that was bad. Not bad, anyway. Animal Kingdom today. Has anyone tried melting their chocolate in front of the fire? If you missed that video, you've got to start right from the beginning and watch all of Vlogmas. I was saying how in my, no, I didn't tell you this bit. In my childhood, one of the things I used to love was getting a block of chocolate and sitting in front of a fire, but obviously being safe, and melting it and licking it. And my mum, this is a bit you don't know, and my mum said to me the one day, who told you? I said, told me what? What are you on about? She said, my mum used to do that. And my nan died before I was born and no one had told me. Makes you think, doesn't it? Makes you think how we all just having built things that we do as a family. So, beautiful. Beautiful. So then, that's one of the people, I told you that as well, didn't I? That one of the people, if I could sit down to dinner with people that were no longer here, one would be Walt Disney, one would be my nan that I never met. So, it's a bit deep, isn't it, for a Vlogmas video? Right, day 14. We're very red and green, I'm very pink today. I'm like Barbie pink today, aren't I? So, red and green. That's that one. And then in my cauldron crate, and it's on the table, this is really where I should have it every time, isn't it? Right, number 14. Ah, okay, it's an envelope today. What's good is I can see number 15 in there. So if I leave it there, I need space in a minute. Right, so then, it's an envelope. So what's in 14? Are these stickers or a book or what is it? No, it's a note card. Oh dear me. You checked the other channel out yet? Have you? Have you? Why haven't you? Go and check it out. I'll put cards here. You don't see my face all the time. That would be advantageous in my book. So look, we've got so what do they stand for? Fred. Yeah. Okay, so can you tell me what that stands for? Because I have no idea what that stands for. Does it stand for anything in particular? There's Ron, Fred. Yeah, I'm a bit lost other than that. But it's a nice note card. So they've done that. That's the second one, isn't it? Because the other one I got was my, the one with Harry Potter. The globe, wasn't it, of Hogwarts? So yeah, I love that. And I'll put that over here because this is where my tray is for my planning. I have a card. I do. Right, and we've done the bauble, right. I'm getting confused. Right, today, it's a magic at your door kind of a day. It is, but I've cheated. I have. because this is actually October's box. And so, how have you cheated, Karen? Well, I had this shipped to me from my mailbox that I've got in America. And it was the last time I used it because I had so many problems with them. And yeah, so I ended that, and I've got a new mailbox over there that I haven't shipped from yet. So it's, yeah, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I've got all of this, and to reduce the costs, I got them to just put it into one box with everything else I had sent over. Because when you ask them to pack it in the original box, they literally took all the paper out and just shoved it back in. They wouldn't leave me my packing note, they wouldn't leave me my silver pouch, or they put it in and put the stuff on top, not in between. Yeah, it was a nightmare. So anyway, this has come. Have I got a silver pouch? No, because they got rid of it. So I'm not going to tell you the name of the packing company because, yeah, in my opinion, I would never use them again. But I had all these wonderful things sent to me from Mike and 001, and I felt gutted for Mike. I felt so gutted because after literally the day before he'd posted my box, I didn't realise, and there was a comment on, and I put a comment on about one of the statues, and he said, I wish I'd have known that yesterday because he sent me one I'd already got. And I'm so sorry, Mike. I'm so sorry, but it's going to come to really good use. So yes, it will do. So shall I show you the things I got? So I haven't got a box to go. It's just me. Should we just look at me a minute? Right, okay, so the first thing, there's quite a few duplicates here, but that I don't mind because it means now I can do a fantastic giveaway next October for, well, September really, for Halloween. So I'm thrilled for that. So it'll go back to someone who's been supporting me, so I'm pleased about that. So I got these cocoa ears. Now I actually bought these for the Halloween party this year, so whoever gets these when I do my giveaway next year, they'll actually get these. So isn't that fantastic? So a pair of ears. I'll show you the other thing that I've got, and I'm not going to take it out of the box because I'm hoping it's arrived in one piece. I haven't checked, and if it hasn't, then whoever gets this will need to put a bit of super glue on it, but I don't want to take it out. I don't want to make it weaker if it hasn't, or what have you. But if you haven't watched my Boo Ball video, I think it was the 12th of October, I'll link it here. Go and check that out. And that was the wonderful Beth, my wonderful friend Beth, and she sent me my box. And she sent me this in the box. She sent me so much stuff. I was so spoilt. Beyond belief. Really, really spoilt, lovely. And yeah, she knows I love her. But she sent me this as well. But go and check the video out, and then hopefully you'll go and watch everybody else's, but definitely go and watch Beth's as well, because we had such fun doing that. But this is the one, so I'm not going to open it, but this is the one that she sent me. And at the moment that's been put away because we've got all Christmas decorations out, but she'll come back out on my backdrop as soon as Christmas is over. But that's Maleficent with the candy corn ears. So a beautiful, beautiful Jim Shaw statue. So I'm not disappointed. Yeah, it would have been lovely to have got another one, but that was my fault, my error. And it's going to go to somebody that watches me, so I don't mind that. So that's absolutely fine. But then he sent me this. Look, I have got the Haunted Mansion notebook. Isn't this fantastic? And it's got all the different wallpaper on the top. And because I'm doing planning, this is really handy for me. And I love this because this was definitely a Halloween themed box that he did, especially for me. And yeah, lovely. I then got two more things. I got some of these socks, the Ghost House socks, and these are fabulous because on the one it says Ghost and on the other one it says House. So I've got some of these socks and I like these socks. I wore Maleficent to the cinema the other day, and if I had to take my shoes off, everyone would look really weird at me, but I love these. So I haven't got these, so those are mine and I love them. And then I didn't get a silver pouch. I don't know if there was anything in it or whether they'd thrown it away, this dreadful packing company. But I got that black one. So I don't know if this was in there or if the socks were in there or what. But I got this lovely, look at this, to go with the notepad. It's a Haunted Mansion pen with one of the, what do they call them on the top of the statues? Gargoyles. It's like one of the gargoyles. See, I get there eventually. It's a bit like, you know when you forget what you want, so you have to go back into that room to remember. Do you have that? It's one of them, isn't it? So yeah. So that's what he sent me. And that's my last box at the moment. I'm hoping next year to restart it up. At the moment, I've got so many boxes. We're doing a planning channel as well. I'm trying to be really good and I'm failing miserably. So yes, I'm hoping to get one of those and get it started back up in the new year. But at the moment, I haven't. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Be good, be kind. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe key at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then, with all the changes YouTube are doing in the new year, you'll still be able to find me. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in the next video. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye for now. Have a lovely day. Bye.